Welcome students. In today's lecture session, we will discuss various manager skills. So for easy and simple lecture session related to UGC, MBA, BBA and BCom, do subscribe to my channel Kanwal Sidhu. As we know, manager is a person responsible for supervising and motivating employees to achieve organizational objectives. Manager also plays a very important role in aligning the employee objectives with the organizational objectives. The primary functions of managers are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. By using these functions, the managers increase the efficiency of their employees and team members and improves the organizational productivity. Basically, there are three kinds of managers. The first are the general managers, who are the top management and are responsible for overall performance of the organizations. They are responsible for taking the strategic decisions which will impact the organization in long term. Then is the functional managers that lead a particular function or a sub unit of a organization. They can be the accounting managers or the marketing managers, research and development managers, or the managers who work in a particular kind of field like advertising, HR or finance. Then the third type are the frontline managers who manage employees who are themselves not managers. They are found at the lowest level of the management hierarchy. Good managerial skills are very crucial for every organization. A manager with good management skills is able to steer the organization on the path of growth and success. The main type of manager skills are the technical skills. So these are the skills that give the managers knowledge about the latest technological advancements. The technical skills not only involve operating of machines and softwares, but also the skills required to boost the productivity, sales and offer better quality products and services to the customers. The manager should be able to guide and train the team members on issues related to use of latest technology in business operations. Then are the conceptual skills. So these skills involve managers' ability to solve problems and formulate new ideas. He should be able to choose best solution of every problem faced by the company. The conceptual skills also help the managers to predict the hurdles or the obstacles that hamper the business growth. Then the third are the human or the interpersonal skills. These skills enable the manager to interact effectively with his fellow employees. The human skills also help the manager in understanding his team members. It also assists in motivating the employees to achieve better results. So these skills help the managers in business planning, problem solving, time management and in decision making. So these are the important skills which are required by the managers at each level of management. So this was all in today's lecture session. Have a nice day. Thank you.